What's up, YouTube? HudsonMan2 here. So today, I know I haven't done an opening in a while, so I was at Walmart today and I decided to buy a couple of Yu-Gi-Oh things to show you. So the first thing I got was a Tactical Evolution Old School Yu-Gi-Oh pack. I got 2 of the new Omega XZs booster packs. And I also got 2 Order of Chaos Special Edition boxes for you guys. I'd like to ask you guys to subscribe to me for more Yu-Gi-Oh videos, and the poll video answer will be put up soon. I'm going to build all 3 decks, and then, well, I will do deck profiles and let you guys decide which one I keep as a main deck. Alright, let's get this started. Let's start with Tactical Evolution. I really never opened any of these before, so I don't know. I want to pull some Crystal Beasts. That'd be pretty sweet, yeah. See if I can open this and save the pack. No, there we go. Awesome. Alright. We have a Venom Snake, a Venom Cobra, Chrysalis Chicky, Counter, and Symbols of Duty. Another really? Wow. 2 Chrysalis Chickies in 1 pack. It's pretty neat. Another counter. Wow. A Phantom Cricket and a Nex. Okay, not the worst things I could pull, I guess. Alright, let's crack open one of these Hidden Arsenal packs. Let's see what I get. Come on. Lucky. First pack. Let me get a Gem Knight Pearl. If I'm right, oh, no, that pack's gone. Okay. If I'm right, the secret rares on the bottom. So we'll put that there and check out. Then we got a Vylon Stigma, a Forbidden Arts of the Gashiki, Vylon Prism, Gashiki and Matt. Is that Tour Guide? Sorry if you guys didn't get to see the cards that I originally got. I'll just go through those again. There you guys see him. Seriously, is that Tour Guide? Yeah. Okay. Just put those in for the rare. Yes! Gem Knight Pearl! Awesome! Wow, that is amazing and secret rare. That makes me really happy. Alright, our second pack. It could not get, this opening is already just amazing. An amazing pull. I'm happy. I don't care. I don't care what I pull anymore. I just don't care. If I pull a freaking Gaga girl. Well, I already saw the secret, so Lava Lakeside Lady, Aquamirror Illusion, a Vylon Pinceta, Whirlwind of Gusto, and a Vylon Trident. Just throw these guys over here. Look at that. That's amazing. That's beautiful. Alright, now for the 2 Order of Chaos. The 2 cards. I'd like to get some Veilers out of these. That'd be pretty awesome, I guess. Yeah, I need some Veilers. You know, I really just do not care for the box. Come on. Effect Veiler. No more Ross. It'd be awesome if... We'll go ahead and see what our Valiant card is. Come on! Yes! Effect Veiler! Awesome. That makes everything okay. And here's our 3 packs of Order. Let's see what we get. Come on. This is already an amazing opening. Alright, we got a Earth Armored Ninja, a Sealing Ceremony, a Darkline, Chowling the Prophet, Darkblade Dragon, and... No way! To a boss from the underworld! Oh, yes! No! A tour bus from the no. No. How? I don't even know, guys. Okay. Evosaur Terraris, a Ninjutsu Art Freezing, and a Evotar Potato. That is no. Just no. I don't even know. I don't even know anymore. I don't care anymore. That's wow. Tour bus from the underworld. No. This is amazing. I don't think I could get anything better. Okay. Photon Trident, Evosaur Ellis, Mass Ninja Erebus, Air Armor, Weights and Measures, and a Wind-Up Rat! Awesome! 2 foils! Wow! Evosaur Terraris again, Ninjutsu Art Freezing, and Evosaur Predator. I don't even care. No. Alright, final pack of this box. I'm shaking. Wow. That's amazing. A tour bus from the underworld. I gotta see that again. Just look at that. I don't know how rare that is, but I don't care. Okay. Gotta stop shaking. Darklon, Ninja Ebisu, Koala, Ceiling Ninja Char, Flat Top, and didn't get a foil out of that, but Dandy Pond, Shocktopus, Evo Branch, and Exector Gigaweeple. Just no. I don't even care. I don't care anymore. No. No, that's awesome. I pulled a secret. I have not had good luck recently with packs, guys, so pulling a secret. What? Yeah, what's that? Yeah, okay. Okay, how about another bet? Raw. Oh, raw. Alright. And for the last 3 packs. How about, okay, if we're going for cards, how about a Gaga Girl? Or a Ghost 39, or how about a number 12? Just to make this even better. Photon Circle. Double Defender. We now have a Splash Capture, Photon Trident, Photon Lizard, and yes! A Blade Armor Ninja! Yes! Wow! That's amazing! Look at that. So, I pulled, out of 2 boxes, I pulled 2 foils. Wow. No. Actually, 3 foils. 3 packs, 3 foils. Awesome. Just amazing. Primordial Soup. Aqua Armored. Interplanetary Purpley Thorny Dragon. I'm shaking again. Wow. It's horrible. Okay, wow. We got an Xyz. Awesome. Photon Crusher. Oops, just put that over there. Degenthorus, Numa Era Tesoro, Wind-Up Honeybee, Gaga. Ooh. No way! An ultra rare twin Photon Lizard. Awesome. No. All I need is a Gaga Girl, and I'm set. Wind-Up Zailstorm. I'm shaking, sorry guys. Full Force Strike and Exector Gigaweeple. Just no. I don't even care anymore. And for the last pack of this amazing random pack opening, I got I got 2 cards. I wanted you, I was not expecting that. Alright, final pack. Come on. Gaga Girl, or I don't know. How about number C39 or number 12? Just to make this even better. No way. I don't even care. Sealing Ceremony of Catan, Darklon, Charlo the Prophet, and Koala, and Photon Thrasher, and Galaxy Storm. At least, no, I got a Photon this time. I also got a windup. Excuse the noise just now. My screen seems to be wonky. I got a Galaxy Storm, a Full Force Strike, and a Zailstorm. Oh, and a Photon Leah. Oh, wow. Shaking. That was oh, sorry about that. That was just an amazing. Alright. Quick review, I guess. Wow. Wow. Amazing. Alright, let's go through the rares, super rares, and secrets. Or through these guys first. I'll go through the super rares now. We got a Twin Photon Lizard, Plate Armored Ninja, Tour Bus from the Underworld. It's pretty. It's amazing. Gemnite Pearl, and Lava Lakeside Girl. No, I don't even know, guys. Photon Thrasher, Guard, Photon Lizard, Dark Flat Top, Dark Blade, the Captain of the Underworld, symbols, Now for the supers. I'm shaking, guys, look. Winged Dragon, don't really care about him. Wind-Up Rat, that was pretty awesome. Effect Veiler, which I need. These cards are really, I don't even care. I don't care anymore. I pulled something. No. Not really gonna go through the comments. That was amazing. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I can't believe I pulled 2 cards I wanted. Or I pulled two XZs and a Tour Bus. I want to know, in the comments below, tell me how hard it is to pull this girl. Guys, just tell me. I'll try to be more calm next time. Alright, YouTube. Hudson Man 2, out.